Give your business phone service the attention it deserves. Outdated systems, confusing contracts, and zero control over how your business communicates. That means missed calls, frustrated customers, and revenue walking out the door. Cipe VoIP gives you cutting-edge phone technology, purpose-built for franchise operators. Full control over call flow, after-hours routing, and location-specific messaging. All managed by Cipe, so your team never has to think about it. Your hardware arrives pre-configured for your location, complete with a QR code linked to a step-by-step installation video. Plug it in, make calls, you're done. With our softphone mobile app, your team can make and receive calls from anywhere on iOS or Android. Already have a phone number? We handle the transfer seamlessly, so your customers never experience a disruption. Every system integrates seamlessly into your existing IT infrastructure and is backed by Cipe's managed support. When something needs attention, your team makes one call and we handle the rest. Ditch the old contract and give your business the phone system it deserves. Cipe VoIP, modern communication simplified. Schedule a call at cipesolutions.com/getstarted.